In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Our Lady of the Angels Prep won and decided to send Friendship Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Friendship Primary and Bible knowledge. Arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible: Deuteronomy, Numbers, Joshua.
Numbers, Joshua, Deuteronomy. Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua. Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua.
Judges? Correct. Bible knowledge, Our Lady of the Angels Prep. Arrange these books in the order they appear in the Bible: Philemon, Titus, Hebrews.
Hebrews, Titus, Solomon.
Hebrews, Titus, Solomon.
Incorrect. It's Titus, Philemon, Hebrews. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Mark Zuckerberg.
Incorrect. It's Keith Duncan, the CEO of JMMB. Our Lady, look at the monitor and identify the person.
You have to say something. We don't know this. So I say something close. Elon Musk.
Incorrect. It's Metriciago, PSOJ president. Friendship, science, what is the name for the study of plants and plant life?
Botany.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels, what is the name for the study of the weather?
Meteorology.
Correct. Television, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
The Flash.
The Flash.
Incorrect. It's Wally West of Team Titans Go. Our Lady of the Angels Prep, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Starfire.
Correct. English language, friendship, what is the adverb formed from the word accident?
Accidentally.
Accidentally.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels, what is the adverb formed from the word attention?
Attentionally.
Attentively.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. Friendship, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Russell Westbrook.
Russell Westbrook.
Incorrect. It's Jason Tatum, the NBA star. Our Lady of the Angels Prep, look at the monitor and identify the person.
What's his name again? We don't know him, so say Steph Curry.
Steph Curry.
Incorrect. LaMelo Ball, the NBA star. General knowledge, friendship. Persia is the former name of which Middle East country?
Iran.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels, Ceylon is the former name of which Middle East country?
What did he say, Sinan? Say Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
Incorrect. Sri Lanka. Social studies, friendship. Is Suriname to the southeast, southwest, or north of Guyana?
Southeast. Southeast.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels, is Colombia to the southeast, southwest, or south of Venezuela?
Southeast.
Southeast.
Incorrect. Southwest. Music, friendship. Complete the name of this festival song winner in Jamaica. Cheerio?
Baby. Baby.
Correct. Our Lady of the Angels, complete the name of this festival song winner in Jamaica. Give thanks.
Great. Say it, Jonathan.
Give thanks and praise.
Incorrect. It's give thanks and praises. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Friendship Primary on 6 and Our Lady of the Angels Prep on 3. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Monitor your cell phone and social media screen time. Set a maximum limit for each day which you will not exceed. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.